guys? It is your boy back again for Misa Vlogs today. We're here with
Sarai, hi.
And of course the man himself, El Misa, and the homie Frank. That's weird, but let's do it. Today we're gonna be going to the air show here at MCAS Yuma. It's gonna be lit, and we're gonna have a good time.
Alright, before this vlog starts, I just want to tell you guys, earphone users, be aware. It's gonna be really loud with the airplane, so I just want to warn all those earphone users. So just to let you know, if you want to bleed from your ears, go for it. You know, be that crazy person. So we're finally here after like 2 hours of waiting in the line.
Telling the story about getting into the wrong line.
Oh yeah, so we were waiting in line for like,
He's got big shoulders.
how long were we in the line?
For like an hour and a half.
An hour and a half.
Isn't it that way?
What'd you say, Sponge?
A good vlog always starts with, "Hey, what is up, guys?"
So you're making fun of me?
No, I'm saying that your vlogs are good.
Oh, my vlogs are good. Yay, good. Goodsies. Goodsies. Franksies. ¿Qué onda?
Hey, we're live.
What's up, guys? What's up?
Hi.
No. The sky's up?
The sky, man.
Hold my hair.
Frank, you're pulling people's hair now?
Yeah, have you seen that vine that's like...
Disrespectful child. You need to learn some manners.
Y'all need to learn some manners.
Oh, have you seen
No, I need to learn some manners.
He's like, yeah, and then
Oh, gosh.
We're in our conversations right now.
We're in a conversation.
¿Dónde vamos, Misa?
We're going to the air show. We're about to go in, but
Esmeralda, we're going to Disney.
we're going to Disneyland according to Esmeralda. Oh my god. To the camera. Turn that camera.
So you're your guards, aren't they?
Yeah.
Make sure your guys don't. Yeah.
Are you vlogging too? No, you're not. Is that the iPhone 8?
Yep.
What the heck? I actually haven't seen an iPhone 8.
Really?
No, I only seen the X because people are like, nah, I'd rather get the X.
I got the 8 because there's not much like.
Thanks.
Dude, the iPhone X, dude.
Gang, gang.
Get out of here.
Dude, look at the chopper. You that?
Buzzard from GTA.
Yeah, dude, the buzzard from GTA. Dude. Alright, so right now we're looking for Tito. Where you at, Tito? We're looking for you. We're looking for you, Tito.
We're on the prowl.
What?
We're on the hunt.
We're on the hunt for Tito right now. But right now there's some really cool stuff. Dude, look at that giant robot over there, dude. Giant robot.
We're in Disneyland.
No, we're not in Disneyland. Where's Captain America? Where's Captain America?
I want to see Death Star.
I want to see Donald Duck.
This is Marine Disneyland. Where's Marine Mickey Mouse?
Alright, Frank, well, all I smell is food, bro, honestly. I'm hungry, You haven't ate anything?
I had a sandwich in the morning, bro.
Dude.
We all run.
I thought you were doing it. Vamos, let's see, get the footage, bro.
Oh, dude, you know?
Dude, good thing. Okay, I can't get copyrighted right here because it's a band playing it, so yeah. But anyways, we're still looking for Tito.
Do we know where he's at?
No, we don't know where Tito's at. Sarai, look for him.
In the meanwhile,
The new,
my favorite band.
it's Hillsong.
Anyhow, we are top of the business here on a Saturday morning.
Play who you say I am.
They're over the hill song.
Oh yeah.
They're like 5 and he offered
Dang, and I'm motocross.
Yes. The hula hoopers, the hula hoopers.
Oh,
Acrobats.
dang. I got it for the vlog. Dude, those are huge planes, dude.
Where's Tito? Where's Captain
We're still looking for Tito, dude.
We're looking for Tito. He was like
Dude.
a Black Panther.
copyright. My homie Tito! What's up? Dude, you look so cute on your uniform, bro.
Who else?
Who else? Oh. Alright, so Tito's gonna be our tour guide now.
Hey guys.
What's up? I don't think I ever presented Tito. So this is Tito. He just got stationed here.
Yuma?
Yeah, from Yuma, but he's from Dallas, Texas.
Yeah, of course.
So no, there's nobody that's from Texas that watches my channel. So what's the point? And honestly, I thought we were gonna go inside. I was like, dang.
Yeah. Es donde se siente.
Oh. Sorry, how you fun at Disneyland, Miss Martha? How you fun at Disneyland?
Yes, Marine Disneyland. Huh? I did. I met the Marine Mickey Mouse.
Is that Black Panther?
Where? Alright guys, I want to show you guys my new whip. I got my GTR right here. My nice GTR. And then where's my Lambo?
There's your Ferrari over there.
Where's my Lambo? Well, there's my Lamborghini over there, as you can see.
And then there's your FRS
También.
in Shockwave yellow.
But I just want to show you guys my new cars that I got.
I love cars.
Wow! Dang, stormtroopers! I got an idea.
But do a cool pose, eh?
Do a cool pose, Frank. Come on.
Just stand there.
It's a one.
Yeah, do it for the pose.
Come on.
Yeah.
Do it for the vlog. Come on.
No, that's a little late.
That's a little late. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Pick up,
Dude, album cover right here, bro.
Esteban.
Dude, my batteries already died.
Really?
Yeah.
Qué bueno.
God.
Oh, sorry.
But I brought the charger, but I guess we'll charge. I'll try to record like as much as I can before it dies. So,
Arre.
It's a refuel it.
so yeah. There's a lot of. There's not a lot of people, but there's some people. My dude is the only one into it, bro. My dude is the only one into it, bro.
Sir, you can step me.
I do what I want, okay? These are pretty cool.
Yuma Air Show would like to thank our outstanding sponsors, Geico, proudly serving military customers since 1930.
Oh my god! Alright guys, so now we're gonna leave. So we're gonna go see Frank get a fresh cut.
Fresh cut, Frank.
Fresh cut from Frank. He's gonna before and then we're gonna show
And then
the
I'm-
after. Oh, then we're gonna show the after. Dude, he's gonna look so freaking sick, dude. What's up, sir?
I love haircuts. I'm so excited.
You have to come with us because we brought your car.
It's my car. As long
Well-
as there's food, I'm okay.
Well, we're probably gonna go get food, but they're gonna leave. So, but we came on a different car, so we'll see you guys probably when we're in the yeah, we'll see you at the barbershop. Bro, you didn't get one? You messed it up.
I missed.
By a little bit, you missed.
I missed by one. I think that's it.
Bro, I wanted a fidget spinner, sponge. Dude, look at freaking Frank's Freaking nice. Dude, Sponge got a haircut too.
Wasn't expecting it.
Yeah. Josh is getting a haircut too over there, so we're just waiting for him. Dude, I have $1. Let's put it in.
I mean, he's giving us a bad dollar.
Now Sarai's gonna try it. I don't think it likes my dollar.
No, I do. It's just I haven't had a good shirt in a while. Doesn't like you. No, that's me face up.
Doesn't like my dollar.
Doesn't like that dollar. You not have a different dollar?
No.
No, I'm not kidding.
Ah, dang it.
It wasn't meant to be.
It wasn't meant to
I missed it by one.
By one, oh my god. Chipotle. Got a burrito.
Bro, don't come to American Eagle. Everything is overpriced.
Nah, but American Eagle, if you want to sponsor Misa, it's all for it.
Even though Tito said everything's overpriced.
So I'm trying to hook you up with a sponsorship, bro.
That's not gonna be in a while,
Looking
bro.
at you, American Eagle.
Yes, because American Eagle's gonna look at this.
Let's go to Zoo.
Alright, welcome to Zoomies, guys. Are you gonna give us a tour of Zoomies or what, Tito?
I don't know. I gotta look for a hoodie.
Do you have something right here, bro? Alright, I just saved you from embarrassment online. So you guys want to see the style of my shoes? This is what I get, Janowski's. He's rocking the black ones right now, and I'm rocking the gray one with black. I want to get these next. Oh, I don't think they have them here, but at Paxton they had them. They were all gray, and there was something like this. Socks?
Yeah.
Sponge, tell me what just happened.
Some kids are playing Minecraft Steve on a speaker in the mall.
Alright guys, I forgot to record the outro, but thank you guys for watching so much. Stay beautiful. I love every single one of you guys. God bless you guys. Peace.